For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo is the perfect ultralight drone for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage without the hassle of a bulky camera setup. Weighing less than 249 grams, about the size of an average apple, this drone is super compact and easily fits in the palm of your hand. It's honestly a game changer for me when I go on hiking trips or travel because it doesn't add any extra weight to my backpack. I remember the first time I took it to the beach, flying it was so simple, and the footage I got was amazing, even in a windy environment. Now, let's talk about its camera. The 3-axis gimbal supports a 4K camera that shoots 12MP photos, and it's a dream to use. When I first used it, I wasn't expecting such sharp images and smooth video, but the gimbal kept everything stable, even when I was flying over the waves. The OcuSync 2.0 technology is another standout feature. It offers up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission, so I've had clear video even when flying quite a distance away from me. That's one thing I love about this drone, it's got the range, but I never feel disconnected from the shot I want to capture. If you're looking for performance, the DJI Mini 2 delivers. With 31 minutes of flight time, I had plenty of time to get the perfect shot when I was capturing the sunset. I've taken this drone to places like the mountains, where the altitude goes up to 4,000 meters, and it's been stable and reliable, even in level 5 winds. I remember one trip to the hills, and the wind was pretty strong, but the drone didn't budge. It handled it like a pro, and my footage stayed smooth and clear. Another cool feature is the 4x digital zoom. I can safely zoom in on objects that are further away without risking a collision or having to fly dangerously close. It's really handy, especially when I'm shooting wildlife, like I did in a recent forest trip. Instead of getting too close, I could zoom in from a distance and still get the shot I wanted. For those of you just starting with drones or even seasoned pilots, the Quick Shots feature is fantastic. You just select a flying pattern, and the drone takes care of the rest, automatically recording and shooting videos. It's perfect if you want to capture professional-level footage without the steep learning curve. I've used it for social media posts, and let me tell you, it makes the editing process so much easier. The DJI Fly app also makes it easy to add soundtracks and filters, so your content looks polished without much effort. I often share these videos with friends right after a shoot, just a few taps, and it's ready to go. When it comes to tech specs, the DJI Mini 2 operates smoothly in temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it supports dual frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, for a reliable connection. I personally found it responsive during rapid tilting with the 100 degrees per second max control speed, especially when I was trying to capture a fast-moving subject. The electronic shutter speed.